Hey everyone, this is Jem again and welcome back to my channel. So you can see I have 3 windscreen from Clearview. Well, 2 from Clearview and 1 from the factory of the Lowrider ST. It's been a while since I put out a video because I don't know if you've had this before, but I had gout for almost a month and I can't stand, I can't do anything. So I'm finally starting to recover. Had some muscle atrophy there, so I need to work that out. But anyway, we have a new video. Why do I have 2 Clearview windscreens? So if you've had the version 1 before, which is this one, some of you may have had problems installing it. It was a little too tight. If you saw my other video installing this, I did say I had to kind of muscle it and flex it a little bit to make it fit. It's mostly the guys or girls with the Rockford Fosgate system. For some reason, it's a little tighter fit when installing this windscreen. I also think their original what do you call that, washers were too stiff, so there was no flex, so you really had to force it so the Allen will, or the screw will go into the hole. So it required a little bit of, or a lot of flexing for me to be able to install this. And I guess some of the people who tried to install it failed, was not able to. So one day Clearview messaged me on Instagram and they were asking me, they were pretty much just a follow-up, how the fitment was, how I liked it. And I was honest to them, you know, I'm not the one to complain. I'm not the one to complain. If I was able to make it work, then, you know, I'll take it. But I did tell them that it was a little hard installing it, especially the bottom part. They know I have an Eldiablo from the video, and obviously it came with the Rockford Fosgate system. For those who doesn't have a Rockford, I think they didn't have a problem installing this. But yeah, again, if you have a Rockford, you might need a version 2 of their windscreen. So I lined it up so just so you can see the difference. Again, this is the factory one. Let's put them all together. This is the small, but they don't measure it from the front, they measure it from the back when installed. So I think this is like 2 inches taller than the factory one when installed, plus the recurve. And this is the medium sized, because I found that I was getting a buffeting, very slight buffeting on freeway speeds on the small one, which I did not get on the factory one because I was just getting, you know, clean air straight to my face. This one's a little bit taller, so I figured, you know what, since they're sending me a new one, might as well get a taller one. So this is the medium. So you can see it's slightly taller than the small one, of course. So I don't remember the measurement. I can't find my tape measure to give you an exact one, but line them up, all 3 of them, as you can see. There you go. And I'll find out if I can still look over it. I'm 5'7". Factory one, obviously it's clear, I can see over it. The small one, I can look over it. So we'll see if the medium one I can still look over, or I will be looking through it. That would be bad, because this is the dark gray tint, so same as the old one. So yeah, all 3 of them. I'm not gonna do an install video because if you guys watched my old one, you already saw it. Oh, another thing, we're not using those solid or stiff plastic washers that they sent the first time. So they told me to use the factory one. So this is rubber, really soft. So this one will have more play and more give, if because it's very slight. Like the fitment is very tight, that I don't know, just a little flex, I was able to make this fit. So now what they did was they made the holes bigger on the version 2, and I will be able to use the factory rubber washers. So let's go ahead and install it. Alright guys, so here it is. The first part of the video is actually like a month ago, and I never got to shoot a follow-up one, so I'm doing this now. I'm just using my phone so you guys can see it. Again, this is the medium tinted and vented Clearview windscreen. So this new version, I didn't have a problem installing. Everything went in easily using the factory washers. I'll give you guys a few seconds to look at it. It might look clear, I don't know, but I guess the sun is back there, so, but it is the tinted gray. This the other side. Alright, that sums it up. So far I'm happy with Clearview, especially with their customer support and follow-up. Yeah, definitely buy another Clearview windscreen in the future. That's it. We'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, I picked up a new toy. I'm not gonna say what it is, but it's gonna be on my next video. So we'll see you guys. Click like and subscribe. Thank you very much.